You hear the sound, so you raise your hand, okay?
Whoa.
Let's go over here, Mom. Ready? Okay, you're good. We'll just turn around this side. Okay, do you wear glasses? No? Okay. Let's go